back to my channel Prabhakrafts. I am doing this beautiful flower with leaves applique. Very easy, absolute beginners trying. Very easy method. Let's get started. I am using two color leaves, green color, flower red color. Hook number is 2 crochet hook, needle, scissor. To make it slip knot, channel 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Go to slip stitch in last channel from hook to form a loop. The foundation round is ready. Next channel to 1, 2, 2 triple crochet inside the foundation round. 1, 2, next channel 2. Now close to slip stitch in the foundation round. One petal is ready. Next channel 2, 2 triple crochet inside the same foundation round. 1, 2, next channel 2, 1, 2. Now close to slip stitch in the foundation round. Second petal is ready. Remaining 3 petals, same procedure. Channel 2, 2 triple crochet, channel 2, then slip stitch. This followed to 3 petals. Now cut the yarn. Extra end guide the sewing needle. The flower is ready. Next, to make it leaf. First starting length is used with sewing purpose, so length is more. To make it slip knot, channel 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Turn. First skip one, next channel using double crochet. Next half treble crochet. Half treble crochet next channel. Then 3 loop closed. Next triple crochet. Next channel triple crochet. Next half triple crochet. then 3 loops closed. Next channel is 3 double crochet, same channel. 1, 2, 3. Next channel 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next turn, skip 1. First channel is skip. Next channel go to double crochet. Next half treble crochet. Next channel go to half treble crochet. 3 loops closed. Next treble crochet. Next half treble crochet. Insert hook into the next channel at the base of stem and last half treble crochet on first leaf and make a slip stitch. Next close to slip stitch using this stem. First channel insert, then next channel, last half treble crochet, same point insert, then close to slip stitch. The leaf is ready. Now cut the yarn. Now extra end using sewing needle. Now cut the yarn. This end is cut. Now join the flowers. Now cut the yarn. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel, like the videos, share the channel. Thank you.